Welcome back to our last law of logarithm. So this last law of logarithm, it is known as the root law. Root law or rule. So this law of root, or the logarithm of root, it is nothing but a formula where in exponent, in most cases in exponent, I think if you still remember here, where x is equals to 1 over n according to the law of root in exponent. If the exponent is a fraction, we end up having a root that way. So in logarithm, now we are saying log the square root of x with an n. So it is the nth root. The nth root of x base a is equals to log x power 1 over n base a. So the nth root is just vice versa. We are moving here, going this way, like what we do in exponent. So same goes to this concept here. And how it will end up being always a fraction, or the exponent always come here. So it will be ending up like x base a here. That's how it end up. So you can come up here or you can be right there. So it depends. And remember, n is not equal to 0. N will never be 0. They are all integers. Sometimes you might have a log with an exponent. Let us say nth root of x power m base a. So you might find out there is an exponent inside the root here. So if this happened, it won't change anything. It will still remain as log x power m over n. Here we still have our n log x. So vice versa, this becomes the nth root and this becomes the power. And others, they prefer to write it this way: bracket nth root of x bracket m. That's what others they do. They first find the root. After finding the root, they find the exponent. It depends.